All right, in this video, I'm going to be showing you my Skool freemium funnel workflow, how I get free leads and free traffic to two of my Skool communities. So you can use this for any business model that you are currently involved with. But in this instance, I'm going to be showing you a real world workflow, how I'm getting people to sign up for my communities. And, I will just say that when you go in here to, for example, the Skoolers over here, this is where a bunch of people that run Skool communities hang out. There are people that it can take 6 months to a year just to get their first 100 free members to their community. I got 100 members in one day into my Skool community. Yes, that did involve already having an audience, but still, I think that if you follow the instructions that I'm going to lay out for you in this video, you have more of a chance of getting steady a handful of leads on a daily basis and get that first 100, 200 members into your communities. So let's dive in. So I've got a couple different communities. I'm going to show you how this actually works, and then I'm going to actually go over a kind of a diagram to show you how this actually works. Okay. So we currently have 83 members in here, YouTube Affiliate Accelerator. Now I recently moved this over to a freemium model, but for the last 2 years, this has been only a paid membership. It's made me over $50,000, this community right here. But recently I decided to go ahead and go with the freemium model, let people come in and get access to the actual community and so forth, right? We have quick wins. I just share some of my promotions that I'm working on, $1,600, $2,000 right there, $950 right there. I share my business model, how I make money on YouTube with faceless YouTube content, recording simple tutorials and so forth, right? About what you're interested in, right? I just updated the about page right here, and you'll be able to see that this is now updated to free, but for the longest time, usually was about $27. It's currently $27 for members that want to upgrade and get access to the classroom. Let me show you that real quick. So the classroom section, there'll be some over here. Actually, I can go over here and show you what it looks like. If you're a free member, I can go here like this, and I'm going to go over to the classroom, and this will be for the standard tier, right? So when you come in and you sign up as a free member, you're going to get full access to the YT affiliate blueprint. Just that alone is worth, $100, $200 signing up for free, going and taking the YT affiliate blueprint. See how I've made over $600,000 with affiliate marketing on YouTube with simple, tutorial videos. You get that entire course right there. Now if you stay with me a while, then you'll be able to unlock this for free, or you can just unlock everything for premium for just $27. To get on the calls and everything, you have to have the premium membership, but there is enough in here, even for the free level, that it is worthwhile signing up, and definitely even just coming in here just to the community itself and getting access to that for free. Pretty dang cool stuff, right? Now, let me show you where you can go into the members just to show you that this works. I'm blocking out people's names and their IDs, obviously, but you can see where they're from. You have people from all over the world joining, and you can actually see that from the map over here. You can open up the map and see that we have people all over the world that are inside the community over here. But I'm going to go into members and just show you that I just changed this over. We're getting people to come in at the free level, right? But I'm going to scroll down here. These are all free leads, and just pay attention to the days when people are coming in here. They joined on January 26th, January 26th, January 26th, January 23rd, 22nd. So, the way that what I like about this is, and the difference between this is that normally people tell you to go to a squeeze page, get their email address, and then continue emailing them. Well, in this case, it's kind of, in a sense, it's taking a shortcut, but it's an effective shortcut, because you have people coming into your community for free. They're getting a massive value bump. This is way more valuable than anything you can give away in a lead magnet, a squeeze page that we've been talking about for 20 years, right? So I'm going to show you that in just a minute, how you can do that as well. It adds another step, another layer of complexity, and you'll need another tool because Skool does not have that capability. But what I like about this is that you could run your entire business with Skool. And if you don't know about Skool and you want to try it for free and sign up, I will leave a link below to go and sign up and take a look around and possibly start your own Skool community. Okay, so I'll leave a link below. Go check it out. But as we keep coming through here, these are all leads that are coming in that now I can post something for them. And I'll show you that in just a minute, but I'm going to come down here just to show you that this does work for bringing in people as premium members. So I'm going to go ahead and come down to here and show you that this person, they came in for They came in for free on the premium, or came in for free into the community, and then they like purchased immediately. They were only in the community for like 24 hours, and then they went ahead and just purchased. They wanted to unlock the courses, they wanted to be involved, they wanted to get on the calls, they wanted to see the probably 60 or 70 hours worth of replays where I teach you everything that you could think of about funnels and about affiliate marketing, about launch jacking, about just so much stuff. And so for just $27, so they signed up right away. So it was a freemium model. Someone came in for free and then they picked up and purchased right away. So it actually does work. It is a proven model that actually works. Now let me hop over to my other community. I'm running two communities right now, and this is my new community. We'll take a look at it real quick. And this is AI software workflows. And I just launched this like a week or two ago. We already have 216 members. You can see there's 8 online right now, and this is free. I launched this for free right off the bat. And what I'm planning on doing with this community is getting it to about 500 or possibly 1,000 members. And then I'm actually going to be making it a very low ticket community, about $5 a month or something like that. So if you're getting in right now, great. If you're seeing this, you can go and sign up if you like getting tips and tricks on how to use software properly, how to cut out the noise and get more clarity in your business on building the right software stack for yourself. And surprisingly, you don't need as many softwares as you think to get the job done. There's hundreds or even thousands of softwares being launched every single day, and they're actually just noise, and they're actually getting in your way of getting the job done. Okay, so that's why I like about Skool is that it's a tool that can help run your business. You really don't need a whole lot more to get the job done. And Skool it hosts your your courses in here. I'll go back over here. So have your calendar and people that are in your premium, or if you want to host calls for your free members as well, you can do that. So you have a calendar right over here. You have leaderboards right here where you can see people that are active all time, 30 days, in the last 7 days, and so forth. There's just a lot of things that you can do, and they continue to keep adding more and more features. So let me go and show you how this actually works, right? So you have this first one is a simple lead gen plan for Skool, right? If you want to just get started right now, you're only going to need 2 things, right? You're going to need YouTube. YouTube is free, right? Go sign up, create your YouTube channel. And again, you don't have to put yourself out there like I am and get on camera and all that. You can start like I did, completely off camera for hundreds and hundreds. Probably my first 1,000 videos, I just recorded my screen and my voice, and I wasn't on camera, and that made me tens of thousands of dollars. You do not have to be on camera. You can, and in today's age, 2026, you can use 11 Labs to get a voice, and you can go and almost become a really good video editor. And I got to be completely honest with you, if you can master that, you're going to get more views than I do, because for whatever reason, those videos are doing way better than a human being on camera like I am right now. Totally fine, but you can go in and you don't even have to be on camera, like I said. So you're going to need a YouTube account, which is free, and then you'll need a Skool community, which starts at $9 a month. That's it, $9 a month to run. So for like right over here on this community over here, AI software workflows, you can see you get this little badge right over here. You get basically 90% of the tools. There's just a couple things that you don't get. And when you're in the pro membership, when you're running a Skool community, which my other one is, you do unlock more plugins and settings and things like that for more advanced stuff. But generally, you get the go live feature. It automatically records your call, and then you can go and upload it. You get the leaderboard, the map, you get like it replaces Zoom. So that's another $20 a month you don't have to spend. And it's, you run your entire community right here. You get the classroom, you get video hosting, which could cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars per year. They take care of all of that for literally just $9 a month. So right now, this is what the $9 one is. And one of the only things that it does is that it does give you suggested communities right over here. And you're not able to, add links right over here and so forth. So there's some things, but $9 will absolutely get you, I'm paying $9 for this one, $100 a month for this one. So I'm paying like $110 a month right now for my 2 communities. But like I said, don't let that be an excuse. $9, it's probably the best $9 that you can spend in your business, period. And there's other ways of doing this too. Like, you don't have to like necessarily, if you want to do group coaching and you really want to sell this as your main coaching platform, that would work as well. So you can get questions answered and so forth, and doesn't have to necessarily there would be like a lead gen community. You can have a paid community where it's $100 a month or $500 a month, $1,000 a month, and you can use this in any which way you want. Okay, so you're going to need your YouTube channel. You're going to get YouTube free traffic machine right here. You're going to create content, and I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. And then when people watch your video and they're interested, they can click. You're basically, your call to action, your CTA in your YouTube video can be to go click the first link in the description, and then people can go and check out your Skool community. I put both my Skool communities here because this is actually what I'm doing right now. I've actually completely simplified this. I've tried both ways of doing this. And if you're running traffic to free communities, I recommend just doing it simple. The simple lead gen plan for Skool, especially for free Skool communities where people can get in for free. Don't make it complicated. Just boom, go like this. Now, if you're paying for the $99 one, right, like this one over here, YouTube Affiliate Accelerator, what you can do with that is you can actually have that's one of the reasons that you would want the $100 plan, is that you can connect Zapier to it. And every time someone comes in, you can actually get access to their email address. You don't get access to people's email address in the free community, if that makes sense. But over here, you get all their access. So then now you're just completely doing a lead gen. You don't need a squeeze page because they're getting the free lead magnet, is joining your community for free. And then you also can have that all launched over to, GetResponse, Aweber, System.io, whatever, to now have their email so you can send them multiple emails. Okay. So the traffic's going to go, and they're going to go in and they're going to check your about page out of your community. And they're going to see over here that it's free to join. It just says join now, right? They're going to go click on it and they're going to go and join. Simple stuff right here, guys. And then while people are in here, I only have a free community right here, but what you can do is you can create tiers with Skool. And I'm not going to get into that in this video. The video will get too long, but you can essentially have people coming in for free. And then you can say, hey, but if you like this, but you want all unlocked of all the courses, all the calls and more, you can have them upgrade to another tier, which unlocks a lot more things for them. And so then you're going to have a whole bunch of people in here for free. And then some of them, a percentage of them, will upgrade to the premium plan. Okay, so this is the simplicity of it. But now let me show you how it can get a little bit more technical if you want it to. This is a little more advanced lead gen plan for Skool. Now you would still have your YouTube free traffic machine right here. You need a YouTube channel. That's what I recommend. You can use Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, all that stuff. But I really do think that if you're serious about your business, that you need your number one traffic source should be YouTube, and then you can add more things to it. But I really just think that YouTube is the best traffic source. So you're going to get traffic. You're going to make videos. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a minute. And they're going to go into what's called a squeeze page, if you don't know what a squeeze page is. And it can look like this, right? I'll actually show you right here. They can put their name, email, and then submit. And then I will now capture their email if they fill that form out right there. And then once that happens, then you can automatically send them a welcome email right here. And then every day after that, right, they're going to get an email, and then an email 3, email 4, email 5. Now use ChatGPT to write this email sequence, to tell it everything about your business. Say, hey, write in first person, be concise, be friendly, and just try to give a tip in each email. And then say, hey, if you want to join and learn more about how I did X with Y, then, and then have the call to action. So every one of these emails right here should be a call to action that's leading people to your Skool about page. Now, I would implement this mostly if you're trying to send people to a paid product, and I can show you that I did do that earlier. I have campaigns here, how to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. It was a free lead magnet. People got that, and you can see I actually ran this right here. You can see the numbers right here and so forth. So 10 email sequence automation, and this is how to do automation in your business right there. And I'm using the tool System.io for that. I can leave a link below as well for that if you want to check that out. They have the best free software for up to like 1,000, your first 1,000 subscribers on email, and then you can sell a course on there. Your one funnel. They give more away than I've seen any other tool in the funnel building or email marketing space. So you're going to send all these emails out, and you're going to bring all that traffic in to pretend this is a paid community, right? Or you can also do that and send them to a free community and just continue to keep trying to get them to join for free. And then they essentially will upgrade to premium right here. And that's where you start making money in your business. Okay. So how do you get a content plan for YouTube, right? That I went over. So we're going to go over here and I'm just going to say, hey, let's just, my Skool community is about teaching people how to train their puppy the correct way. I want to create YouTube videos to get traffic to my Skool About page to get members to sign up for a free community membership. Can you give me 10 video ideas that will do well for YouTube recommended, browse, and suggested in my puppy training niche? Title should be 65 characters or less, evoke a ton of emotion, very important, and stop the scroll and get the click. Create my 10 video titles now. So we're going to go ahead and click that, or in ChatGPT, you can use, Gemini, Claude, whatever you want to do. And then this is a great niche. Cool. Boom, boom, boom. YouTube to Skool. It's saying that that's fire as well. I agree. Puppy training plus emotion plus urgency, the algorithm, candy, and high intent viewers, right? So here's what we've got right over here, right? We have 10 high click puppy training YouTube titles. Stop ruining your puppy with this common training mistake. Your puppy isn't stubborn. You're training them wrong. Do this in the first 7 days or puppy training. So just look at that. The great titles that if you're in that niche, just go and do a test. You will see that those are the titles that you'll see videos that are getting hundreds of thousands of views. So you just want to go and start doing this. You're going to get your chance. In 2026, YouTube works differently. If you make a quality video, it doesn't matter if you have 0 subscribers, it has a chance just like any other video. Subscribers mean far less in 2026 with the current YouTube algorithm than it ever has. And so you have a chance to just right away jump into your niche, jump into YouTube and start getting leads to your business, right? So we have why this will perform, pro funnel tip. It gives you some more tips. And then you can just say, give me my next 10, give me my next 10, right? So that's how you can do this. Hopefully you got value from this. If you want to go and join my AI software workflows and you're interested in software and how you can use software to the best of your ability and learn how to use it properly, then click the first link below, go and check out my Skool community. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video.